I guess, drift around a bunch of cones and do some kana. Never done any of that before, so
very exciting.
Yeah.
Let's go left side.
Alright, we're gonna go left, right, left, right. Alright, ready?
Yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah! Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah.
That was fucking sick.
Spinning out was fun. Yeah. I wanna like.
Ready?
Yep. Yes. Alrighty. Let's go again.
Now this time. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, yeah. Almost. Oh, fuck. Yes. Ah, yes! Oh. You did it, man! Let's go! 2. Yep. Nice. Yep, nice, nice. Yep. It's alright. Take it easy. Whoa, yeah. Slow it down, dude. Watch out, bro. Spins out on this corner, so watch it. Good job. Nice. That was so good.
Honestly, big thank you to For The Girls and their sponsors for allowing us to do this in a welcoming and safe space on the circuit. At first I was super nervous and didn't know what to expect, but once I got going I really loved it. The V35 is my stock daily. It was really fun to drive, but I was fighting a little bit with the ABS, which would turn itself on every now and then. For a beginner, I think I did well. Slid a few times and tried to commit even if that meant spitting out. Another big thanks to Beck, who let me ride passenger. I got to see how the pros do it. She's super talented. It was so much fun and I'm so grateful for the experience.